Our Honorable Vice Mayor, uh, our today, our today's presiding officer, the Honorable Vice Mayor John Lester Tan Malactan.
Thank you, Honorable Secretary OIC, Ma'am Amabel Ibanez. Good afternoon, everyone, to the August Body, to the 16th Sangguniang Bayan. Welcome to our 34th regular session, and our session is now called to order. May we stand for the invocation?
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiliw, helas ng sinakalan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y kumay. Lupang hinirang, kuyak ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisigil, sa nagatang tutok sa simoy at sa langit kong bagaw, ay nilagang tulaka.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our Bible passage for today's can be found in the book of Colossians, chapter 1, verse 11 to 14. Being strengthened with all power according to his glorious might, so that you may have great endurance and patience, and giving joyful thanks to the Father, who has qualified to you to share in the inheritance of his holy people in the kingdom of light. For his has rescued us from the dominion of darkness and brought us into kingdom of the Son he loves, in whom we have redemption to forgiveness of the sins. Let us pray. May you have your sign of the cross. Dear Father in heaven, we thank you. We want to be ready to thank you all the times. We look forward with joy to your kingdom and await of the redemption that will free us to the very depth of our being. To the praise and thanks of honor of your name, be with the many people who come hungering and thirsting to you. Bring deliverance to those whose hearts are true, and let them know that the power of your kingdom is truly present here on earth in Jesus Christ our Lord. Amen.
May we be seated. May we request our OIC Secretary, Mama Bel Ibanez, to do the roll call.
Please be recognized when your name is called. Honorable Vice Mayor John Lester Tan Malactan.
Present.
I'm so sorry, I was
It's
starstruck.
okay. It's all right, ma'am.
Honorable Sangguniang Bayan Member Jonathan E. Losenio. Honorable Sangguniang Bayan Member Nestor G. Paulican. Honorable Sangguniang Bayan Member Bernard Lawrence L. Zubiri. Honorable Sangguniang Bayan Member Estrella C. Quadrasal. Honorable Sangguniang Bayan Member Roy Y. Cabalquinto. Honorable Sangguniang Bayan Member Samuel S. Bugas. Honorable Sangguniang Bayan Member Roda Q. Gaitira. Honorable ABC President Paquito A. Catin Jr. Honorable SK Federation President John Sixto S. Calulu.
Present.
Honorable IP Mandatory Representative Diosdado L. Siberia. Present. Okay, of the 12 members, Honorable Joe Fidel P. Durmal is the only one not around.
Thank you, Honorable Secretary. Nonetheless, if there is absent or if he is still coming, the quorum is achieved considering the number of those who are present. Quorum is hereby declared. May we request our Majority Floor Leader, Honorable Paulican, to facilitate the proceedings of today's session.
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer. I move to dispense the reading of the journal and minutes of the previous session, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader Paulican. There's a motion from Honorable Paulican to dispense the reading of the journal and minutes of the previous sessions, being seconded by Honorable Sibiria. Motion approved.
Is there any correction? If there is none, I move to adopt and approve the journal and minutes of the previous session, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Again, there's a motion from the Majority Floor Leader Paulican to adopt and approve the reading and of the journal minutes of the previous session, being seconded by Honorable Katin. Motion approved.
We will now request our OIC Secretary for the first reading and reference to the committees of proposed ordinances, resolution, messages, communication, and petition.
For our referrals, we have here item number 1, letter from the Office of the Municipal Mayor received on March 13, 2026, requesting the Sangguniang Bayan for passage of resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into contract of service with Sining at Kultura Ancillary Theatrical Services for the Kaamulan Agri Booth Display CY 2026. This is certified urgent.
Please refer this item to the Committee on Laws.
Item has been referred to the Committee on Laws, Rules, Ethics, and Regulations. Do we have the committee member of the Committee on Laws, Rules, Ethics, and Regulation?
Thank you, Honorable Presiding. May I include to Nasan Business for today's session?
Thank you, Honorable Cabalquinto. Your request is granted. Next item.
Item number 2, draft resolution number 2026-04, proponent Honorable Estrella C. Quadrasal, received on March 16, 2026, entitled, Resolution requesting the National Housing Authority, Region 10 through Engineer Homer T. Cesar, Officer in Charge, Regional Manager for assistance to the victims of fire incidents on January 30, 2026 at Sitio San Carlos, Barangay Cuyam, Municipality of Maramag, Province of Bukidnon.
Please refer this item to the Committee on Housing.
Item has been referred to the Committee on Housing and Resettlement.
Honorable Presiding Officer, I want to include this in assigned business.
Thank you, Honorable Zinio. Your request is granted. Next item.
Item number 3, ordinance number 011, series of 2026 of Barangay San Miguel, received on March 16, 2026, entitled, An Ordinance Proposing and Declaring the Identified Tourist Site and Destination, Regulating Allowable Activities thereat, and imposing entrance and environmental fees to tourists visiting the said tourist sites and destination of Barangay San Miguel, Maramag, Bukidnon.
Please refer this item to the Committee on Tourism.
Item has been referred to the Committee on Tourism, Culture, and Arts.
Noted, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Honorable Bugas. Next item, ma'am.
Item number 4, ordinance number 012, series of 2026 of Barangay San Miguel, received on March 16, 2026, entitled, An Ordinance Appropriating Funds as Financial Subsidy bar honorarium to the President of the Rural Improvement Club, RIC, of Barangay San Miguel, Maramag, Bukidnon.
Please refer this item to the Committee on Laws.
This item is being referred to the Committee on Laws, Rules, and Regulation.
Noted, Honorable Presiding.
Thank you, Honorable Cabalquinto. Next item.
Item number 5, ordinance number 013, series of 2026 of Barangay San Miguel,
May I
received on...
interrupt you, Honorable Secretary? May we have this joint committee hearing with the Finance, Committee on Finance on Majority Floor Leader? Item number 4. Considering there's an ordinance appropriating funds of financial subsidy.
Finance.
Noted, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Honorable Paulican. Next item, ma'am. Sorry for that.
Okay, let us proceed. Item number 5, ordinance number 013, series of 2026 of Barangay San Miguel, received on March 16, 2026, entitled, An Ordinance Establishing the Most Clean and Healthy Program in Barangay San Miguel, Municipality of Maramag, Province of Bukidnon.
Please refer this item to the Committee on Laws.
Item has been referred to the Committee on Laws, Rules, and Ethics and Regulations.
Noted, Honorable Presiding.
Thank you, Committee Member Honorable Cabalquinto. Next item, ma'am.
Item number 6, ordinance number 014, series of 2026 of Barangay San Miguel, received on March 16, 2026, entitled, An Ordinance Institutionalizing Reforestation and Planting of Trees for Every Newly Constructed House, Commercial and Business Establishment, and provide a penalty thereof and other purposes in Barangay San Miguel, Municipality of Maramag, Province of Bukidnon.
Please refer this item to the Committee on Natural Resources.
Item has been referred to the Committee on Natural Resources and Environment Protection.
Noted, Honorable Presiding.
Thank you, Honorable Cabalquinto. Next item.
Item number 7, letter from the Office of the Municipal Mayor received on March 17, 2026, requesting the Sangguniang Bayan for passage of resolution adopting and approving the annual work financial plan of the local committee on anti-trafficking and violence against women and their children, LCCAT and BAUSI. This is
Please.
certified urgent.
Please refer this item to the Committee on Women.
This item has been referred to the Committee on Women's, Family, and Social Welfare.
Honorable Presiding Officer, could I include this to the unassigned business of today's session?
Yes, ma'am. Your request is granted. Next item.
Item number 8, letter from the Office of the Municipal Mayor received on March 17, 2026, requesting the Sangguniang Bayan for passage of resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into memorandum of agreement MOA, with the Department of Science and Technology, Northern Mindanao, relative to the implementation of the provision of water purifying system for safe and sustainable drinking water in Barangay San Miguel, Maramag, Bukidnon. This is certified urgent.
Please refer this item to the Committee on Laws.
Item has been referred to the Committee on Laws, Rules, and Ethics and Regulations.
Noted, Honorable Presiding Officer,
ABC.
with the information and request that this be deferred due to the fact that during our caucus this morning, there are important matters to be discussed with, and if possible, we should have to conduct a committee hearing on this item.
Okay. Thank you, Honorable Katin. Next item.
So we are done with the referrals. Now let us proceed with the communications for this body's information. Number 1, Resolution number 2026-1317 of the 28th SP of the Province of Bukidnon, received on March 12, 2026, approving Resolution number 2025-720 of the Municipality of Maramag, Bukidnon, entitled Resolution Adopting and Approving the Supplemental Annual Investment Program SAIP number 1 for calendar year 2025 of the Municipality of Maramag, Bukidnon. Number 2, Resolution number 2026-1318 of the 28th SP of the Province of Bukidnon, received on March 12, 2026, approving Resolution number 2025-156 of the Municipality of Maramag, Bukidnon, entitled Resolution Adopting and Approving the Supplemental Annual Investment Program SAIP number 2 for calendar year 2025 of the Municipality of Maramag, Bukidnon. Number 3, Resolution number 2026-1319 of the 28th SP of the Province of Bukidnon, received on March 12, 2026, approving Ordinance number 2025-03 of the Municipality of Maramag, Bukidnon, entitled An Ordinance Authorizing the Adjustment of the Items in the 2025 Annual Budget to Reduce Overestimated National Tax Allotment NTA shares of the Local Government Unit of Maramag as per Local Budget Memorandum number 90-A of Department of Budget and Management, DBM. That's all for this body's information.
Next item, Honorable Majority Floor Leader.
Item number 10, privilege hour. There is none. Question hour, none. Business for the day. Committee report. Committee on Land Management and Titling.
May we welcome the Committee Chairman of Land Titling that will report on the first committee report by Honorable Lucinio.
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Committee Report number 2025-13 Land. 2. The Presiding Officer. Subject. Letter signed by Victor G. Salcido, President of San Ramon Taylor Association, received on November 21, 2025, expressing the letter's intent to apply in-home lot extension project development of lot number 156 and 157 located at San Ramon Base Camp, Maramag, Bukidnon. Origin: Mr. Victor G. Salcido, President, San Ramon Taylor Association. Submitted. Committee on Land Management and Titling. Findings and recommendations. Number 1. San Ramon Taylor Association, or ISRATA, is duly registered with the Department of Labor and Employment under registration number Book-PO 06-4438-25 and has been granted accreditation by the Municipality of Maramag through the resolution number 2025-060. 2. The said association has expressed its intent to apply for a home lot extension project development plan and their PUROC intended for the actual farmers, tenants, and members of the Association. The letter of intent was submitted to the office of the Secretary to the Sangguniang and referred to the Sangguniang Bayan for study and review. 3. On March 9, 2026, Monday, at 10 o'clock in the morning, the committee conducted a committee hearing and gathered the following information. A. The subject area for the proposed home lot extension project development covers lot number 156 and 157, classified as agricultural lands located at Purok Jes, San Ramon, Barangay Base Camp, Maramag, Bukidnon, with an area of 10,000 square meters each. B. The seed lots were previously part of Bukidnon Farm Incorporated or BFI, formerly operated by San Ramon Ranch Incorporated, which was later sequestered by the government and is now placed under the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program or CARP of the Department of Agrarian Reform. C. At present, the subject area is occupied by 90 households who are being proposed as the beneficiaries of the seed project. D. Considering that the subject area is under the CARP of the Department of Agrarian Reform, the association must comply with the proper procedures and requirements of the agency in order to pursue the proposed project. E. The association recently discovered that lot number 156 and 157 have already been titled in the names of Mr. Hernani G. Piamonte and Mr. Alberto B. Bayabos, respectively, through the issuance of certificates of land ownership award or CLUA. F. Hence, the association sought an intervention of the Sangguniang Bayan to assist them, claiming that they are the actual occupants and cultivators of the said land, in considering that the land is owned by the government. They also raised concerns regarding how the CLUA was issued to the individuals who allegedly do not reside in the area and are not the actual tillers of the land. G. Based on the records of the Municipal Assessor's Office, both Mr. Hernani G. Piamonte and Mr. Alberto B. Bayabos have existing tax declarations and have maintained updated tax payments for the said properties. H. The OIC, Municipal Agrarian Reform Program Officer, or OIC MARPO, clarified that the subject area is privately owned and not government-owned, and that the property was voluntarily offered by the landowner to coverage under the CARP during the validation process of the Department of Agrarian Reform. Identifies that the actual occupants of or cultivators of the land. The identified agrarian reform beneficiaries are then subjected to a posting requirement in the barangay and other designated areas to allow for any objections or complaints if no opposition is filed within the prescribed period. The Municipal Agrarian Reform Office was proceed with the issuance of the necessary certification. I. It was also disclosed that the complaint has already been filed by a resident from Buklata, which prompted the involvement of both the MARPO of Don Carlos and Maramag, and task force have been organized to look into matter. Should the task force proceed with its investigation, the Department of Agrarian Reform will conduct a ground validation. G. Considering that the CLUAs have already been issued, any party seeking their reconciliation must engage in legal counsel and file the appropriate complaint before the Regional DAR Adjudication Board. K. Peeling action, such action is beyond the authority and jurisdiction of Sangguniang Bayan. Thus, the committee deemed it proper to take note of the matter. L. The committee encouraged the association to coordinate closely with the Department of Agrarian Reform for the proper resolution of the issues surrounding the subject properties. Letter M. Furthermore, considering the presence of approximately 90 households currently residing in the area, the committee suggested for the association to prepare a resolution addressed to the Honorable Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri, requesting possible assistance for housing project in the area, particularly exploring an possibility of government acquisition of the property for the general welfare of actual occupants and residents of the concerned lots. Above the premises considered, the committee hereby recommends to pass a resolution taking note of the letter signed by Victor G. Salcido, President of San Ramon Taylor Association, expressing the letter's intent to apply in home lot extension project development of lot number 156 and 157 located at San Ramon Base Camp, Maramag, Bukidnon. Submitted by yours truly, concurred by Honorable Samuel Bugas, member, and Honorable Diosdado Severia. Honorable Presiding Officer, I move to add and approve this committee report.
Thank you, Honorable Lucinio. There's a motion from Honorable Lucinio to adopt and approve this committee report, seconded by Honorable Cabalquinto. Motion is hereby approved. Now the chairperson is ready for any questions, clarifications, or discussions from the august body. Naabatay dungag pangutan. Yes, Honorable Katin.
Actually, I would like to ask the following questions to the reporter. Actually, as far as my knowledge is concerned, because the late Hernani Piamonte is a resident of Panatalan, as well as Alberto Bayabos. And it so happened that the subject, prior to the establishment of the 90 houses, our household in that area, it was actually, number one, the affected complainant has filed a case before the Barangay Council of Biscamp, because prior to their filing of the complaint, they were the ones who cultivated a portion of that specific area sa Buklata. And I wonder also how come that the Maro of Don Carlos take cognizance of resolving the complaint of Mr. Salcido, when in fact it is part and parcel of Barangay Biscamp. That is one of my question. And the other one is that as far as the complaint of Mrs. Adelaida Piamonte, actually they are complaining because it was illegally and forcibly occupied in the person of Mr. Piñapel. They forcibly entered the area when in fact the actual owner of that land, or the actual clue holder, is Mr. Hernani Piamonte and Alberto Bayabos. That is all, Mr. Honorable President.
Thank you, Honorable
I just
Katin.
want to make a clarification from the committee chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Katin. May we hear from the committee chairman for the response?
Thank you, Honorable Katin. Before during sa kapitan pa ko sa Barangay Biscamp, gani si Ma'am Piamonte, usa gina nga naghatag o kining pagpasumon nila kay sila man gyud ang actual occupant nga nahitabo adto no. Gani gapangayo si Piamonte adto kay aron lang gyud nga masolve sila, masulbad gyud unta sila dito magatubang sa barangay. Ang nahitabo dili ga-appear ang kaning sila ni Piñapil o si Salcido. So gipatawag ni sila dito kay invite nila before sila mo file og kaso. So ang nahitabo adto tulog yun kapatawagan sa barangay walay appearance. So moto nga siguro nahatagan og certification, di lang ko sigurado, no? Mo na nag-file og kaso sila against sa kining naadiriron nga ni sulod sa area nila ni ni Bayabos o ni Piamonte, no? Kay gi-present man nila ni ang title. Gani usapod sa gihangyo ni usapod dito sa kining Victor Salcido nga mangayo sila sa kuha og certification nga sila ang actual occupant ato nga time nga during nga kapitan ko sa base camp. Pero ang nahitabo dili ko kahatag og certification tungod kay ang luna dunay title under sa kang Bayabos ug sa kang Piamonte, no? So ingon ana ang nahitabo mao nang nagkandak og committee hearing dayon nahisgutan namo to gani na ang taga Maro base sa kaso na manggod nila kay napailan magkaso ang kanang nagsulod ya karon mo na ang nag-decide na lang ang chairperson nga ako na lang taking note kay naa na may appropriate action nga gihimo sa taga landowner, no? Kung ang storya pod ni Maro ni Mr. Ali ang ihapon kung nakay-complain against kay nakay-question nga nung nahitabo nga nahatagan og kining title kana si Piamonte o si Bayabos, kung nakay nakita nga sakto nga valid evidence why the reason nga nahatagan, pwede ka mag-hire og legal counsel nga dito nimo i-file sa DAR, no? Aron nga kuan ang ma-address ang iyang pangutana. So mao na ang rason nga usa nga akong i-taking note lang siya.
Thank you, Honorable Chairman. So, na-satisfy ba ang pangutana, Honorable Katin?
Very satisfied, Your
Thank you,
Honor.
thank you. So, napaidungag mga pangutana? I think wala na. And kabulo na po taon sa pleasure sa Committee Chairman.
Honorable Presiding Officer, I move to calendar this item the third and final reading.
Thank you, Honorable Lucinio. There's a motion from Honorable Lucinio to calendar this item for the third and final reading of today's session. Seconded by Honorable Bugas. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Next item.
Item number 2, Honorable Presiding Officer. Finance to be reported.
May we welcome the Majority Floor Leader, Honorable Paulican, to report Committee on Finance and Appropriations.
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer. Good afternoon, everyone. Committee report number 2026-08, Finance. To the Presiding Officer, subject, draft resolution number 04, series of 2026, proponent Honorable Sammy Bugas, received on February 2, 2026, entitled, A Resolution Requesting the Honorable Mayor, Attorney Jose Joel P. Durmal, to increase the monthly safety allowance of selected local government employees from 500 pesos to 1,000 pesos. Proponent, Honorable Sammy Bugas, Municipal Councilor. Submitted, Committee on Finance and Appropriation. Findings and recommendation. Number 1, certain employees of the local government unit of Maramag are assigned to duties that expose them to significant risk to their personal safety and well-being, including field operation, emergency response, and delivery of public services in potentially in high-risk area. Number 2, Ordinance Number 2017-017 was enacted by the 13th Sangguniang Bayan granting monthly safety allowance for the selected LGUs employees and the selected job orders personnel of the local government who are exposed to hazard and health risk in providing funds thereof. Number 3, the current monthly safety allowance of 500 pesos is not longer sufficient to cover the cost of essential protective gear, transportation, and other necessities required to perform their duties safely. Number 4, the committee hearing was conducted on March 10, 2026 at 11:10 a.m. in the Legislative Conference Room. During the hearing, the proponent emphasized that the purchasing power of 500 pesos has significantly decreased due to the rising cost of goods and services. Number 5, based on data as of December 2025, a total of 163 employees in the municipality received the safety allowance. This includes selected personnel from the Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, Municipal Environment and Natural Resources Office, Municipal Health Office, Municipal Traffic Enforcers, Municipal Watchman, and fire aides from the Maramag Fire Station. Number 6, Ms. Grace R. Añasco, Management and Audit Analysis of the Municipal Accounting Office, recommend that the term safety allowance be charged to safety assistance as the funding is charged under maintenance and other operating expenses, MOOA. Number 7, increasing the safety assistance to 1,000 pesos per month will help ensure that those employees have better access to appropriate safety equipment, reduce the financial burden related with their hazardous assignments, and boost morale and retention of qualified personnel. Number 8, upon review, the committee first finds the proposed resolution to be proper and in order. Number 9, therefore, the committee hereby recommends to pass a resolution requesting the Honorable Mayor, Attorney Jose Joel P. Durmal, to increase the monthly safety assistance of the selected local government employees from the 500 pesos to 1,000 pesos. Respectfully submitted, yours truly, Chairperson, Honorable Mr. G. Paulican, Concord, Honorable Estrella Cuadrasal, Member, Honorable Sammy Is Bugas, Member. Honorable Presiding Officer, I move to adopt and approve this committee report.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader Paulican. There is a motion from Honorable Paulican to adopt and approve this committee report, being seconded by Honorable Cuadrasal. Motion is hereby approved. Now, the committee chairman is ready for any questions, clarifications, or discussions from the august body. Anybody from the august body who would like to have some clarifications? Wala. I think it's been discussed earlier na, no, together with the resource persons po sa atong executives. So again, walay dungag questions. What's the pleasure of the committee chairman?
Honorable Presiding Officer, I move to calendar this item for the third reading or final action to decision.
Thank you to our Majority Floor Leader. There's a motion from Honorable Paulican to calendar this item for the third and final reading of today's session. Seconded by
Second.
Honorable Gaitera and Honorable Sibiria. Motion approved. Next committee report, Honorable Majority Floor Leader.
Item number 3, Committee on Natural Resources and Environment Protection.
May we welcome the committee chairman of the Committee on Natural Resources and Environmental Protection.
To be reported, Honorable Presiding.
You have the floor, Honorable Cabalquinto.
Good afternoon to the august body. Committee report number 2026-11 on Committee on Environment on the 16th Sangguniang Bayan, dated March 18, 2026, to Presiding Officer. A letter signed by Rinaldo Esbon, Punong Barangay of Kulambugon, Marama, Bukidnon, received on February 4, 2025 with the subject request for an endorsement resolution for tree cutting for the construction of barangay administrative building. Proponents ang Sangguniang Barangay of Kulambugon submitted the Committee on Natural Resources and Environmental Protection. Findings and recommendation. 1. The Office of the Secretary to the Sangguniang received only a letter signed by Honorable Rinaldo Esbun, Punong Barangay of Kulambugon, and requesting for passage of resolution endorsing the cutting of trees to give a way for the construction of Barangay Administrative Building. 2. On January 23, 2026, the Municipal Environment and Natural Resources Office, MINRO, conducted a site inspection at the Barangay Tree Park affected by the pre-construction piece of the Barangay Administrative Building project and Barangay Kulambugon to respond the request of Honorable Punong Barangay Rinaldo Esbon. 3. A committee hearing was conducted last March 16, 2026, Monday 9:20 in the morning at the Legislative Building. During the hearing, the following information were presented. E. The parcel of land intended for the project measures approximately 20 meters in length and 12 meters in width. Due to the size and location of the proposed project site, considerable number of trees will be affected. B. Based on the findings indicated in the inspection report, the trees will be affected within the project area during the pre-construction piece of the proposed Barangay Administrative Building project. The inspection identified a total of 51 hells of mahogany, Swietenia macrophylla, which belong to the furniture, construction, and hardwood species. 4. It is necessary to comply with both local and national environmental laws and regulations. Development projects involving the removal of trees are required to secure a tree cutting permit from the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, DNR. Among the requirements for the application are resolution issued by the Barangay Local Government Unit, BLGU, and approved development plan. These documents shall be attached and submitted when applying for the cutting permit with the DNR Sindro. Valencia City, the process ensures that the proposed activity is legally authorized prior to the implementation of the tree cutting. 5. With regards to the custody and disposition of the felled trees, a formal request must be submitted to the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, DNR, which is the authorized government agency responsible for regulating and managing forest resources. The request should include proper justification for the intended use of the felled trees to facilitate the approval process. 6. Compliance with the DNR Memorandum Order Number 2012-02, also known as the Uniform Replacement Ratio for cut or relocated trees, is required prior to the implementation of tree cutting. The permit must undertake a tree replacement program equivalent to 5,100 seedlings based on the prescribed ratio of 1:50 seedlings for trees cut for planted trees and 1:100 seedlings per tree affected by development project. This policy supports the objectives of National Greening Program in GP and the government's climate change mitigation initiatives. 5. Upon submission and compliance by the barangay government of Kulambugon with the required documents are regulatory requirements, the request of barangay is deemed proper and in order. 7. Now therefore, the committee hereby recommends for the passage of resolution endorsing the request of Honorable Rinaldo Esbun, Punong Barangay of Kulambugon, to DNR Sindro, Valencia City for tree cutting to give way for the construction of Barangay Administrative Building project of Kulambugon, Maramag, Bukidnon. Submitted by yours truly as chairperson, concurred by Honorable Jonathan Lucinio, member, and also Honorable Bernard Lorenzo Biri, member. Honorable Presiding Officer, I move to adopt this committee report.
Thank you, Honorable Cabalquinto. There's a motion from Honorable Cabalquinto to adopt and approve this committee report, seconded by Honorable Sibiria and Honorable Gaitera. Motion is hereby approved. Now the chairperson is ready for any questions, clarifications, or discussions from the august body? Are there any questions from the august body? I think wala na. For the second time, wala gyud. Walay question, Honorable Chairman. So what's the pleasure of the committee chair?
Okay, thank you, Honorable Presiding, for being none. I move to calendar this item into third and final reading for today's session.
Thank you, Honorable Cabalquinto. There's a motion again from Honorable Cabalquinto to include this item for third and final reading of today's session, being seconded by Honorable Cuadrasal. Motion approved. Next item, Majority Floor Leader.
Unassigned business, Honorable Presiding Officer, 3 items. Committee on Laws, Committee on Housing, Committee on Women.
May we welcome again committee member of Committee on Laws, Rules, Ethics and Regulations, Honorable Cabalquinto.
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Welcome.
I will read the communication coming from the Municipal Mayor. Honorable members of Sangguniang Bayan, Municipality of Maramag, through Honorable John Estritan Malactan, Municipal Vice Mayor, Presiding Officer. Greetings. The local government unit of Maramag will participate in the Kamulan Agri-Boat Display, calendar year 2026, that will highlight our municipality's agricultural products and cultural heritage. To accomplish this, the services of a qualified provider are required to undertake the following scope of works. Letter E, layout and design. Letter B, interior and front decorations. C, ornamental management arrangement. And D, carpentry. Letter E, painting and detailing of tribal design. And F, other related artistic works. In view of this, the undersigned humbly request for the passage of resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into a contract of services with Sining at Kultura Ancillary Theatrical Services for the Kamulan Agri-Boat Display, calendar year 2026. And please consider this matter as urgent. Signed, Honorable Attorney Joel Dromal, Municipal Mayor. Then, the contract of service between the municipal government of Maramag through Honorable Attorney Joel Dromal, Municipal Mayor, as referred as client. Then, Sining at Kultura Ancillary Theatrical Services, service provider by represented by James Tupas. Then, akot na laning basahon ang iyahang scope of services. Mao na siya, service provider. Then, contract price, kani siya. Naka-stipulate din nga ang materials na amount of 40,000. Then, the talent fee, 20,000 with a total of 60,000. I think that's all, Honorable Presiding.
Thank you, Honorable Cabalquinto. Any questions from the august body? Clarifications? Again, it's been talked earlier, no?
Yes.
Ganina sa caucus, sa mga together with the resource persons.
Yes.
So, nadetalye naman tanan dito ang angay madetalye. So, masabtan na to nga wala na idungag ang mga questions. So, what's the pleasure of the Honorable Chairman? Committee member.
I move to calendar this item into third and final reading for today's session, Honorable Presiding.
Thank you, Honorable Cabalquinto. There's a motion from the Honorable Cabalquinto to calendar this item to the third and final reading of today's session. Seconded by Honorable Katin and Honorable Cuadrasal. Motion approved. Next item is coming from Committee on Housing and Resettlement by Committee Chairman Honorable Lucinio. You have the floor, Committee Chair, Honorable Lucinio.
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer. Draft Resolution Number 2026-04, Women. Proponent, Honorable Estrella C. Cuadrasal, SB Member, March 16, 2026. Resolution requesting the National Housing Authority, Region 10, through Engineer Homer T. Cesar, Officer in Charge, Regional Manager, for assistance to the victims of fire incidents on January 30, 2020. Sustained full damages and 2 families with partial damages. Whereas, the local government unit of Maramag have provided immediate response, support, and assistance to the victims of the incidents. However, local resources are limited to fully revitalize the lives of the affected residents to perfect conditions, and we implore upon external assistance from other governmental agencies and offices whom are able to provide further or additional assistance. Whereas, we appeal to the kindness and consideration of the National Housing Authority, Region 10, through Regional Manager, Officer in Charge, Engineer Homer T. Cesar, for the provision of applicable assistances to the victims of the fire incidents in Sitio San Carlos, Barangay Kuya, Municipality of Maramag, Bukidnon. Now, therefore, be it resolved, as it is hereby resolved by the Sangguniang Bayan of Maramag, Bukidnon, in session assembled to pass a resolution requesting the National Housing Authority, thus Region 10, through Engineer Homer T. Cesar, Officer in Charge, Regional Manager, for assistance to the victims of fire incidents on January 30, 2026 at Sitio San Carlos, Barangay Kuya, Municipality of Maramag, Bukidnon. Proponent, SB Member, Honorable Estrella.
13, 2026. Honorable members, Sangguniang Bayan, Municipality of Maramag, through Honorable John Lister Tan Malaktan, Municipal Vice Mayor, Presiding Officer, gentlemen and ladies, Maanya greetings. This office received a letter from Municipal Social Welfare and Development Office requesting the passage of resolution adopting and approving the CY 2026 annual work and financial plan of the local committee on anti-trafficking and violence against women and their children, Ilkat Bausi. The EWFF forms part of the Council operational framework to effectively implements program, projects, and activities for the year and of the essential documents for Ilkat Bausi functionality assessment. In line with this office respectfully endorses the matter to the honorable members of the August body for the passage of resolution adopting and approving the annual work financial plan and local committee on anti-trafficking and violence against women and their children, Ilkat Bausi. Please consider this matter urgent. Thank you very much. Some more power. Very through yours, Attorney Jose Joel.
Ganina Puntanan, together with the resource persons from the executives. So, Honorable Chairwoman, wala na dungag pangutana.
I move to calendar this item for the third and final reading of today's session.
Thank you, Honorable Cuadrasal. There's a motion from Honorable Cuadrasal to calendar this item to the third and final reading of today's session, being seconded by Honorable Gaitera. Motion approved.
For the third reading, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Thank
we
you,
have
Majority Floor
6
Leader.
items.
May we
Committee on
proceed
Lands.
for the third and final reading?
I move to pass a resolution taking note of the letter signed by Victor G. Salcido, President of San Ramon Tiller Association, expressing the letter's intent to apply in home extension project development of plot number 156 and 157 located at San Ramon Base Camp, Maramag, Bukidnon.
Thank you, Honorable Lucenio. There's a motion from Honorable Lucenio to pass a resolution taking note of the letter signed by Mr. Victor G. Salcedo, President of San Ramon Teller Association, expressing the letter's intent to apply in home lot extension project development of lot number 156 and 157 located at San Ramon Base Camp, Maramag, Bukidnon. Seconded by
Second.
Honorable Cuadrasal and Honorable Cabalquinto. Let's now divide the House. Who's now in favor of this item? Let me see your right hand. I see everybody raising their hands. Motion approved. Next item.
Finance.
I move to pass a resolution requesting the Honorable Mayor Attorney Jose Joel P. Dormal to increase the monthly safety assistance of selected local government employees from 500 pesos to 1,000 pesos.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader Paulican. There's a motion from Honorable Paulican to pass a resolution requesting the Honorable Mayor Attorney Jose Joel P. Dormal to increase the monthly safety assistance on selected local government employees from 500 pesos to 1,000 pesos. Seconded by Honorable Gaitera and Honorable Katin. Let's now divide the House. Who's now in favor of this item? Let me see your right hand. I see everybody raising their hands. Motion approved. Next item.
Honorable Presiding Officer, I move to pass a resolution endorsing the request of Honorable Rinaldo Esbon, Punong Barangay of Colambugon, for tree cutting to give way for the construction of Barangay Administrative Building, project of Colambugon, Maramag, Bukidnon.
Thank you, Honorable Cabalquinto. There's a motion from Honorable Cabalquinto to pass a resolution endorsing the request of Honorable Reynaldo S. Bon, Punong Barangay of Barangay Colambugon, for tree cutting to give way for the construction of Barangay Administrative Building, project of Colambugon, Maramag, Bukidnon. Seconded by Honorable Bugas. Let's now divide the House. Who's now in favor of this item? Let me see your right hand. I see everybody raising their hands. Motion approved. Next item.
Honorable Presiding Officer, I move to pass a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into contract of service with signing at Cultura Ancillary Theatrical Services for the Kamulan Agri-Boat Display for calendar year 2026.
Thank you, Honorable Cabalquinto. There's a motion from Honorable Cabalquinto to pass a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into contract of service with Sining at Cultura Ancillary Theatrical Services for the Kaamulan Agri-Booth Display CY 2026. Seconded by Honorable Gaitera and Honorable Katin. Let's now divide the House. Who's now in favor of this item? Let me see your right hand. I see everybody raising their hands. Motion approved. Next item.
I move to pass resolution requesting the National Housing Authority, Region 10, through Engineer Homer T. Cesar, Officer in Charge, Regional Manager for assistance to the victims of fire incidents in January 30, 2026 in Sitio San Carlos, Barangay Cuya, Municipality of Maramag, Province of Bukidnon.
Thank you, Honorable Lucinio. There's a motion from Honorable Lucinio to pass a resolution requesting the National Housing Authority, Region 10, through Engineer Homer T. Cesar, Officer in Charge, Regional Manager for the assistance of the victims of fire incident on January 30, 2026 at Sitio San Carlos, Barangay Cuya, Municipality of Maramag, Province of Bukidnon. Seconded by Honorable Cuadrasal. Let's now divide the House. Who's now in favor of this item? Let me see your right hand. I see everybody raising their hands. Motion approved.
Honorable Presiding Officer, I move to pass a resolution adopting and approving the annual work financial plan of the local committee of Anti-Trafficking and Violence Against Women and their Children Ilkat Bausi.
Thank you, Honorable Quadrasal. There's a motion from Honorable Quadrasal to pass a resolution adopting and approving annual work financial plan of the local committee on anti-trafficking and violence against women and their children's, or parenthesis, LCAT-VAWC, parenthesis. Seconded by
Second.
Honorable Paulican. Let's now divide the House. Who's now in favor of this item? Let me see your right hand. I see everybody raising their hands. Motion approved. Next item.
Item 14, Honorable Presiding Officer, for announcement.
We may ask from the Secretary's table if there's any announcement.
There's no more.
There's no announcement. So, how about from the August body? Yes, Honorable Lucenio.
Committee hearing. Land Management and Titling, March 23, 8:30 to 9:30, item 1.4. Invite, person to invite, Honorable Samuel Bugas, member, and Diosdado Siberia. Also the MASO, Engineer Cerizo Apilis, MPDO, Engineer Robert Labadan, Engineer Tiborcio Macalam, also the Sinro Valencia, Mr. Jimmy Huab, and also the Barangay Captain of Barangay South, Honorable Arsenio Dormal, and also the residents of Purokdo South Poblacion, Corazon Munoz, Jerry Dal, Lina Tambot, James Sora, and Ingrid Llanasa. That's all for 8:30 to 9:30. And also, same date, 9:30 to 10:30, item 1.6, Monday. Again, I'd like to invite my members, Honorable Bugas and Honorable Siberia, the MASO, MPDO, MEO, Sinro, the Barangay Captain of Kampuan, Honorable Faustino Lumakang. Again, same date, Monday, item 1.5, 10:30 to 11:30. Same member, Honorable Bugas, Honorable Siberia, Engineer Cerizo, Engineer Labadan, Senro Valencia, and also the Barangay Captain of Barangay Dulugon, Honorable Michael Ritardo. That's all, Honorable Presiding Officer. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Senyo. Next, Honorable Katin.
Committee hearing, Honorable Mr. Presiding Officer. This is regarding the deferred memorandum of agreement which is certified as urgent. Honorable, on Thursday, March 26, and the following committee members, of course, it will be presided by the Honorable Jafidel P. Dormal of Committee on Laws, Honorable Roy Capelin Quinto, members, and yours truly as member, and for those who will be invited will be Honorable Joel Camarillo, Punong Barangay of San Miguel, Engineer Robert Rabadan, MPDC, Ms. Perla Silamusti, Municipal Budget Officer, Miss Nerijim P. Cantel, Municipal Treasurer, Ms. Lisa Jean B. Aranas, Municipal Accountant, Engineer Haji Val I. Sinit, Engineer 1, Mr. Serapim Sabilina, Administrative Officer for Municipal Mayor's Office, and Ms. Annie D. Antiga, San Miguel Volunteers Association President. That's all, Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Honorable Katin. Next announcement. Yes, Honorable Quadrasal.
Everybody is invited.
So our committee chair on women's, Honorable Quadrasal, is inviting every one of us here to celebrate the Women's Month, Maramag chapter, tomorrow at gym. What time, ma'am? 8 a.m. Yes, Honorable Siberia.
Sir Presiding Officer, mo-exit ko Honorable Quadrasal kay opening sa
Kaamulan.
Kaamulan ugma.
Okay.
So
Understood, Honorable
Yes,
Sibiria.
thank you.
Thank you for that, Honorable, for that consideration also, Honorable Codresal. Rest assured, I think also, Ma'am, Congresswoman Inday Audrey Tansubiri will arrive. She's the speaker, Ma'am. Okay, the Congresswoman would gladly see us all there to support the women's in Maramag, Bukidnon.
Honorable President.
Yes,
Sir,
Honorable Subiri.
Committee hearing on engineering this coming March 23 to 9:30 in the morning. An assigned business, item number 17. I will invite the committee members, Honorable Paulican, Honorable Cabanquinto, Honorable Jan Rilalaan, the North Poblacion Punong Barangay, and also the Chairperson of Committee on Tourism, Honorable Sammy Bugas, Engineer Tiburcio Macalam, Engineer Robert Labadan, Engineer Paulican, Engineer Cerizo, Assessor's Office. And then the Committee on Cooperative, again, 10:45 in the morning. Also, I would like to invite my committee members, Honorable Siberia, Honorable Codasal, and Mr. Noel In Loriniana, the President of Unity Life Welfare Community Incorporated, and also Ms. Loretta A. Guevara, Base Camp Multi-Crop Farmers Agrarian Reform Cooperative. Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Honorable Subiri.
Honorable Presiding Officer.
Yes, Honorable Mr. Paulican.
Schedule of committee hearing, public hearing, no, in Barangay North Poblacion, MIDSCOM, no, sa March 23, 9 o'clock in the morning. LFC members, 20 punong barangays, it's a remote office, si Ma'am Lucille Masokol, and also MHO, Dr. Kahayag, ang MIDSCOM committee member. That's all, Honorable Presiding
What
Officer.
time is that, Honorable?
9 o'clock in the morning.
9 o'clock in the morning.
And also, Honorable Presiding Officer.
March
regarding-
23, no?
March 23. Peace and order, no? Regarding sa new rate, new pay rates, no? Sa motor cab, motorillas, and flying in the municipality of Maramag. May request our Honorable Mayor to facilitate this dialogue.
Sige. Okay, thank you, Honorable Paulican. No? So, karong panahon bati man gyud nato ang pagsaka sa gasolina, and of course, na paminawan na to ang mga hangyo sa atong mga motorista nga sector sa transportation. So, may we ask from the OSS if pwede ta makapangayog dialogo sa executives, sa mga resource persons available.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. And para at least makahatag ta og schedule para mapabalo po nato atong turista kung nabay mga adjustment nga atong take part po. Kay mabalaan na to no sa one nga mga lungsod na ana sila yung mga initiatives and meetings sa pagsaka sa ilang plitihan. Masabtan man sad karon tungod sa abnormal nga pagtaas sa presyo sa mga petrolyo. Daghang kayong salamat ana, Honorable Paulican.
Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Napay dungag ang mga pangutana, announcements. If wala na, what's the pleasure of the August body? 24 kay naglaps na ang number of days sa atong pagkuan. So, mangita na sa taglain nila nga available nga naa sila complete sa ilang council sa Tagum. So again, we heard Honorable Justado Sibiria for his motion to adjourn. Yes, sorry. Again, okay. Okay, just in time. Honorable Samuel Bugas, proceed.
Committee hearing on the Committee of Human Resource, March 26 at 11 a.m. Draft resolution number 3 series of 2026, and invited Honorable Jose Fidel Dormal, Chairman, Honorable Dordura Gaitira, Member, Honorable Samuel S. Bogas, Prof. proponent. Mauman din ang committee. Draft Resolution Number 3, Series of 2026, Proponent Honorable Samuel Esbogas received on February 24 entitled, "A Resolution Earnestly Requesting the Social Security System to Establish an Extension Office in the 3rd Legislative District of Bukidnon to be located in the Municipality of Maramag." Ang chairperson at Jupidel P. Durmal wala diri. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you, Honorable Bugas. Again, last call. Announcement. Wala na yung magpabol. So again,
Kani, tinuod na gini. I move to adjourn.
There's a
Ay,
motion.
tulog-tulog sa pansitan.
there's a motion from Honorable Gisado Sibiria to adjourn our session. Seconded by Honorable Lucinio. So our session is adjourned at exactly 2:24 in the afternoon. Daghang king salamat sa inyong tanan sa 16 Sanggunian, sa OSS ug sa Vice Mayor's Office. Our session is adjourned.